assemble the HITI P525L printer. This is the main body of the printer. First, connect the power cord and USB cable to the back of the machine. Connect the other end of the USB cable to the computer. Then turn on the power switch. This is the photo paper and tray. This is the ribbon. Press the button to open the device. Once opened, first remove the cushion pad. Then install the photo paper in the designated position. Make sure the photo paper is securely placed. Align the green part with the green position and the black part with the black position. Ensure the clip is stable. Insert the photo paper into the gap. Push the photo paper all the way down until the blue indicator light is displayed. Next, install the ribbon. First, secure the white part, then secure the black part. Slightly tighten the ribbon. Ensure the ribbon is firmly installed, then close the cover. The machine will automatically detect the consumables. Now you can start using the printer.